In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to add a Visa gift card to your Cash App account. Open the Cash App on your device, and then tap on the profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and select Linked Banks from the menu options. Choose Link Debit Card to add your prepaid gift card, and provide all necessary details of your prepaid gift card as prompt. Then tap on Link Card to complete the process. Once your gift card is successfully linked, return to the Cash App main page by tapping on the Money tab. This tab usually appears as a small bank built-in icon or displays your current balance. Select Add Cash to transfer money from your prepaid gift card to your Cash App balance. Enter the specific amount of money you wish to transfer from your gift card to your Cash App balance. You can typically find this information on the packaging. Next, tap on Add to confirm the transfer of funds from your prepaid gift card to your Cash App balance. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.